Hello everyone, in this video we will see how ChatGPT can help us build a complete Arduino project. Instead of searching different websites, we can use one well-written prompt to generate project details, components, circuit diagrams and even the Arduino code. This is the Arduino Bluetooth controlled car that we will build with the help of ChatGPT. The car is controlled wirelessly using a Bluetooth module and a smartphone.